So today we're gonna be doing second order differential equation. So the standard formula for our first order differential equation goes like this. It's d squared y over dx squared plus dy over dx plus y equals to 0. So this is our standard formula for linear second order differential equations. So our first example, example A, we're gonna have dy squared over dx squared minus 4 dy over dx plus 4y equals to 0. Okay, so the initial question is we have to find our auxiliary equation. First thing first, we have to find our auxiliary equation. What I mean by auxiliary equation, we're gonna say dy over dx equals to m. So we convert everything to m. Okay, so where there is dy, we're gonna dy over dx, we're gonna put m. So we're gonna say m squared, because everything is squared here, minus 4 m plus 4, we ignore the y, we only take the coefficient. So we're gonna ignore this y, we take the coefficients only. So a coefficient here is 1, that's why we don't have anything here. And then here the coefficient is minus 4, so you put minus 4 there. You replace dy over dx by m plus 4, we ignore the y, we only take the coefficient. So this is your auxiliary equation. They call this the auxiliary equation. I'm gonna just write on the side here aux, meaning auxiliary equation. I'm gonna write aux equal. This is the auxiliary equation. So after finding your auxiliary equation, your next step is to find the factors of this equation. What I normally do to find the easiest way of finding factors, it's using quadratic equation. Minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4 ac all over 2a. So our value of b, it's minus 4, and then our value of a, it's 1, and then our value of c, it's plus 4. So we're gonna put minus into minus 4, which is our b, plus or minus root our b, it's minus 4 squared, okay, minus 4 into our a is 1, and then our c is plus 4, all divided by 2 multiplied by a, which is 1. Okay, so from here you just find the factors of m. Okay, so m1, we're gonna have two factors because of this plus or minus. So our m1 will be 2, then or our m2 will be equals to 2. So our m1 and m, you can conclude here and say m1 equals to m2 equals to 2. So as you can see, this the factors are the same. So when the factors are the same, your general equation will be y equals to c1e m1x plus c2e m2x. So just because your factors of m are the same, you're just gonna add on your standard equation, general equation, you're gonna just add x here on one equation. You're gonna add x on one equation. Okay, so this is called your, I'll just write gen equation. This is your general equation. So we're gonna go and replace the values of m. So our value of m1, it's 2 multiplied by x plus c2e multiplied by 2x. Don't forget to put that x here. So this is your general, this is how you find your general equation.